Today we will talk about importing records with associations. So first step would be preparing your document. I usually prepare that in Google Sheets. So here we have a document with three different types of records: contact information, ticket information, and deal information. So for contact information, usually you would want an email. That's how it will deduplicate and identify new contacts. For tickets, if you create a new ones, it will be ticket name, pipeline, and status. The same for deals. If you are updating current deals or tickets, you would have to know the ticket ID. So you just insert the ticket ID as a separate column, and that's how it will associate the already existing ticket to the contact or to the deal as well. So here we will look into importing brand new contacts, brand new tickets, and brand new deals. So whenever you're ready, you set up all of your information, ticket pipeline, ticket status, and deal pipeline, deal stage. These are very important. Make sure that the names match what you have in your CRM. So, for example, sales pipeline and appointment scheduled, qualified to buy. It has to match exactly in order to be able to import those deals in appropriate stages or tickets in appropriate stages as well. So after you confirm that everything is correct here, you just download your file. Download your file. You go to either deals, tickets, or contacts. Click on import right here. It will bring you from all of those. It will bring you to the same page. Here we will be doing an import. File from computer. It's not an opt-out list, so it's just file from the computer. And we have everything in one file. If you have separate files, one for contacts, one for deals, one for tickets, you will choose this option. But today we will look at one file import. And we are importing multiple objects with association. So here you can see that we are importing multiple objects, and that's what we will choose. Here you will choose what kind of objects you would like to import: contacts, deals, and tickets. You can also import notes or companies, but we are not doing that right now. And then we choose the file. So this one is the one that we just downloaded, and go in next. My column names were pretty self-explanatory, so HubSpot just detected the correct properties to import them into. If they were not very clear, you would have to map it to a property. You can also, for some properties, for example, these three, you can ask to not overwrite them for already existing contacts by clicking just these check boxes here. These properties are mandatory, and the tickets and deals will be new, so we cannot check the don't overwrite. So you just check that everything is mapped correctly. Deal name, correct pipeline, deal stage. So everything is mapped, and all of these are green check boxes, and click next. Here you just make sure that you import contacts that you are allowed to reach out to. Check this box and finish import. Something wrong. Okay. Second click. So now we're just waiting. Okay, so we imported 3 rows. We have 9 records. That means 3 contacts, 3 deals, and 3 tickets. And we will look at that in just a second. So here everything looks great. No errors. If we had errors, they will be shown at the bottom here. But we can go to contacts right now. And we can see that we have Jeanette Doe, John Doe, and Mary Doe. And let's kind of click around. Jeanette has one deal and one ticket as we imported. John Doe, same, one deal, one ticket. They are associated automatically because we imported them that way. And let's look at Mary Doe, the same. There's deals in the appropriate status, in the appropriate pipeline. The same for deals. Stage is the one that we chose during the import. If you have any questions, let us know by posting it in the comments. Thank you.